I've got this piece of particle board that's really bent, and let's straighten that out. Let's spray this down with just water. I'm going to coat both sides with water. The sprayer started working. And I'm going to put the bent side up, and I'm going to put a bunch of weight on it, a bunch of patio blocks. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them on there. And it squished it down almost to flat. And it's supposed to get up to in the 90s today. And we'll see if that heat and the moisture and the weight or pressure will straighten that out. Well, let's see if this works. I let this sit all day yesterday. It was like 92, 93. Hot in full sun. Let it sit overnight, and I've removed 5 of the patio blocks. Let's remove this last one. Yeah, most of it's gone. There's still just a little bit of bend in it. So I'm going to do that again. I can't today because it's supposed to rain tonight. I don't want this to get soaking wet. So I'm going to put this in the garage, and then the next day it's real warm, I'll redo it. This board's been sitting for 4 or 5 days, and it bent back. I don't know if it's all of it, but it's still bent. So what I'm going to do is try and over bend it. I'm going to put a 1/2 inch thick board there, and one down at the other end. I'm going to put those at the very end of the board. And I'm going to take some water and spray this. This is the bottom side. And I'll spray this top side. And then I'll stack up bricks. I'm actually going to put these this way, so then I can push down mainly there instead of having these the other way. I want to get that weight mainly in the middle. Yeah, it's warm out today. It's supposed to be 90, so I'll be in the sun all day. We'll see how that works. It's been sitting for 24 hours. Let's see how it looks. Well, it's bent the other way, but let's see if that springs back. And this has been sitting for a few days, and it's pretty straight. It's not perfect, much better than it was. Be sure and check out my other videos.